Unit 4, page 42.
Once I saw a little bird. Sing and enjoy this poem.
Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, "Little bird, will you stop, stop, stop?" I was going to the window to say, "How do you do?" But he shook his little tail and away he flew.
New words learned from the poem. Bird,
Hop,
stop,
tail.
window.
Let's read.
The bird flies out of the window.
He must stop cutting trees. Option: we must stop cutting trees. Page 43.
Reading is fun.
What did the child see?
What was the little bird doing?
Let's talk.
Do you see any birds around your school or your house?
Have you tried talking to them?
Let's do.
Join the letters from A to Z.
Here you can see picture of a beautiful peacock with a huge tail in a dancing position. It's green and blue and yellow and orange. And you can see some dots on his tail. Connect them to make a picture.
Page 44.
Trace over the dotted lines and letters. Now color the stars.
Here you can see 5 stars with 5 different alphabets. Connect the dots to complete each alphabet.
In the first star, there is letter M.
In the second star, there is letter N.
And then there is P.
And after that, there is Q.
And then there is T.
Say these words aloud and talk about the picture. Then tick the right color.
Here you can see a picture of a house. And the house's roof is pink. The walls are yellow. The windows are brown. And the door is blue. There is a dustbin which is pink in color. The plants are green and the floor is gray.
Roof,
Door,
windows,
walls,
floor,
plants.
dustbin.
The roof is pink or blue.
The walls are yellow or red.
The windows are green or brown.
The door is blue or gray.
The dustbin is pink or green.
The plants are green or orange.
The floor is gray or brown.
NCERT Marigold Chapter 7 Once I Saw a Little Bird. Children, after this lesson, it's time to do the question and answers. So let us start from some new words. Bird. What is bird, children? So bird, a type of animal that has wings, beak and feathers and can fly. Example sentences. Number 1, I want to keep a bird as a pet. Number 2, that bird is very beautiful. Next word is hop. So what is the meaning of hop, children? Hop means to jump over. Example sentences. Number 1, I like to hop in the rain. Number 2, I will hop over this stone. Stop. What is the meaning of stop? The meaning of stop is to bring to an end. Example sentences. Number 1, the bus will stop now. Number 2, I will not stop speaking. Our next word is tail. Tail is the part of an animal's body that extends from the animal's back. Children, you have ever seen the tail of a dog, of a cow? So example sentences. Number 1 is the tail of a squirrel is very soft. Number 2, elephant has a very small tail. Window. So, meaning of window, an opening in a wall where glass is put so that people can see outside. Example sentences. Number 1, please open the window. Number 2, there is no window in my room. Let's move to the page number 43. So, children, here question number 1 is, what did the child see? The child saw a little bird. What was the little bird doing? The little bird came hopping to the window and then shook his tail and flew away. Page number 43. Do you see any birds around your school or your house? Yes, I see many birds around my school and house every day. Yesterday I saw some pigeons. Have you tried talking to them? Yes, I tried talking to a bird 2 days ago, but it did not talk to me. Children, these are the sample answers. You are advised to write the answer based on your own experience and observations. Now, children, page number 43. Here, images are there. You can refer your textbook. So, you have to join the letter from A to Z. I think you have seen the peacock in your textbook. Just join the dots and draw the beautiful peacock. Page number 44, children. Trace over the dotted lines and letters. Now color the stars. So you can see here so many stars. How many stars are there? There are 5 stars. You have to join the dotted lines from the given alphabets. So M, N, P, Q and T. So children, this is the answer. I have colored here red to M, green to N and blue to P and light green to Q and orange to T. You can fill the colors of your choice. Now page number 44. Say these words aloud and talk about the picture. Then tick the right color. So you can refer your textbook for the images, children. Roof, door, windows, wall, floor, plants, dustbin. The roof is pink or blue. The walls are yellow or red. The windows are green or brown. The door is blue or grey. The dustbin is pink or green. The plants are green and orange. The floor is grey or brown. So before putting the ticks on the right color, children, you have to advise to say the given words aloud and then say what they see in the picture. So the roof is pink or blue. The roof is pink. The walls are yellow or red. Yellow. The windows are green or brown. You can see the image in your textbook, children. So the windows are brown in color. The door is blue or grey. The door is blue in color. The dustbin is pink or green. You can see the dustbin which is pink in color. The plants are green or orange. You can see the plants here which are green in color. The floor is grey or brown. Children, you can see the floor which is grey in color. So children, I hope you understood this lesson very well and you enjoyed this session. We will meet soon in our next lesson in a new video. Till then, hit a like, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for your upcoming all new lessons and click on the bell notification to get notified all the updates of the channel. At last, thanks for watching.